get into an introduction and overview of what Helium 10 Cerebro is. It's actually my favorite tool in the entire suite of Helium 10. It's one of the most powerful tools ever made for keyword research. Pretty much within seconds, I'm going to be showing you strategies such as you can find all of the keywords that a product or products are ranking for organically or in sponsored ads. You can do special filters where you can see, hey, where am I ranking like on page 3 or 4, but my competitors are getting sales from keywords on page 1. I'm going to show you how to look at which are the products that are the most clicked and the most purchased for a keyword. Where are competitors really spending their money on PPC? What are they advertising for that maybe I'm not? Well, what is one of these seasonal products? Where was it ranking? Where was it getting sales from? This one product, maybe last year, last summer, or last Christmas. You're going to learn how to do a lot of these strategies and a lot more through these next videos. Now, all of the demos that I'm going to be doing today are going to be based in the Amazon USA marketplace. But if you guys are using Cerebro out there, you can do it for the Canadian marketplace, Mexico, Germany, Spain, Italy, France, UK, India, Netherlands, Australia, Japan, United Arab Emirates, or even the Walmart USA marketplace. All right, so the same strategies that I'm going to be going over is going to be what you could use regardless of which of those marketplaces you are selling on.